Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Tuesday, February 10th, 2026, and I finished my Jester hat. If you watched my video yesterday, I said I was going to start one. It takes no time at all. So this is the Jester hat that I understand is going viral. I don't know if it's on TikTok or Instagram. I don't have a TikTok. I do have an Instagram. Very rarely do I ever post there. But Rose from Roselikescrochet on her last February yakety yakking video. I love watching Rose's channel. She was showcasing these, and actually I believe she has them for sale on her Etsy shop if you're interested, and I'm sure hers are much nicer than mine. But I had to give it a whirl, and it takes really no time. But I did mine in the, I didn't do the granny. It's a hexi-cardi. It's the, one round of a hexi cardigan. And you just sew up the sides. Rose did some curly cues, so I did the same. Their curly cues are, I found a tutorial from Nastasia, Donna Wolf. She has a tutorial for these curly cues. So it's just your basic hexi-cardi, and then you put a little brim on it. I have to say this is very big, and I didn't do all the rounds because I was watching Mantha from Mantha's Makes. She did them also, and she mentioned that hers also came out quite large. So yeah, but even though I went down a few rounds, it's still very big. But that's okay. It's just a fun hat, and the hat queen will get a kick out of it. I also played Yarn Chicken. I don't know where I did but I had a little piece left. I don't know where it is, but this cost me $1.24. It was clearance yarn from Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. The color was Amber Honey. I would have put one more of these curly cues, but this is what I got out of one skein of the Hobby Lobby. So it was a fun thing to do. I don't know what I did with I had one little piece of yarn left. In any case, I have made a Jester hat before. Actually, Crystal Bag O'Day has a tutorial for a Jester hat that I made, I want to say Christmas the year before, probably 2024. And I really like that pattern. It has a little more substance to it. And I actually made that also for the Hat Queen, so I don't have it, but I will post a picture here of the one I actually did a snapshot of a short that I did with all the crazy hats that I had done for Christmas that year. I'll probably link that below too. But yeah, so this is the Jester hat that's going viral. I did mine in the solid granny because I like to protect the Hat Queen's scalp. So yeah, so it was fun, something to do. She'll get a kick out of it when she comes to visit. She's always looking for something fun. Oh, this is what I had left. I knew I had it somewhere. That's what I had left. So that was, yeah, one skein of yarn, and you can make the Jester hat and have hat hair. So another reason for me coming on is I did a random comment picker gift away early this morning. As I generally do when I do giveaways. So the winner of my random giveaway this morning did contact me, and she asked me to pay it forward to another subscriber, to spin the wheel again. And so here we are. We're going to pick another winner. And yes, I do have to say I have the best subscribers. Very kind, and that's what this is all about. That subscriber wanted to pay it forward to someone else, and here we are. So I'm going to let you know what this gift will be from me. If you watched the video that I did for my Study of Reality blanket. I'm going to be gifting away the yarn that if you would like to make your own reality blanket or another study blanket or any blanket that you want, I'm going to gifting away the colors that I used in this here Study of Reality blanket. Yeah. So these are the colors that I used in that blanket. Okay. It was ivory, mustard, camel, taupe, and wine. And if you recall, I played a little yarn chicken with the camel color, so I'm going to put an extra. So there will be 6 skeins of Big Twist in this gift away from me. Okay, you can do whatever you like with it, but it's a gift from me. That's also, you know, this would have gone to another subscriber who decided to pay it forward. So all that I'm going to ask that you do is leave a comment with the word kindness, okay? Because that's what this is all about, being kind and paying it forward. Yeah, let's all be kind to each other. I know my subscribers are the best, and I'm going to say that. And I may be a little partial, but that's okay. So, someone had asked how many skeins I used for this blanket, and I actually used 1 skein of each color. The wine, this is what I had left. That's what I had left of the ivory. That's what I had left of the taupe. This is what I had left of the mustard, and this is what I had left of the camel. That's the one I played a little bit of yarn chicken with. So yeah, so less than 5 skeins of yarn. I was able to make that 50 by 50 throw. So yeah, this should make a substantial throw. As I said, it's a gift from me. You need to be a subscriber to my channel over the age of 18. Leave a comment after this video with the word kindness. Okay, I will be doing the random comment picker probably Thursday morning, because I would hope that whoever does win will contact me and I can get this out in the postal service on Friday, or you know, this weekend. You know, I'd like to get it out of here. I'm doing a little bit of a destash, and so this is my way of giving back to my subscribers, and most of the other rest of my destash will be local because shipping is ridiculous. But yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my crazy hat, and leave a comment with the word kindness. Please don't mention gift away. That's all I ask. Okay? And thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Bye now.